This is a light-forsaken land, isn't it? You can barely even see the sun. This howling wind cuts to the bone and you're not even shaking. My lord, are you all right?
Captain, are all my forces accounted for?
Nearly. There are only a few ships that...
Very well. Our first priority is to set up a base camp with proper defenses. There's no telling what's waiting for us out there in the shadows. Is there danger?
Is my aid required?
Say the
How
word.
may I serve?
Justice shall be done.
Yes, my friend.
What is your wish?
I stand for the light.
I am ready.
The light is my strength.
I am ready.
I'm here to help.
What is your wish?
I'm here to help.
How may I serve?
I stand for the light. For honor. Certainly. Of course.
What is your wish? For Lord
Justice shall be done. A sound plan. Of course.
How may I serve?
Is there danger? For honor.
I am ready.
The light is my strength.
I
A
am
sound
ready.
plan. Ice trolls. Certainly. Certainly.
What is your wish?
I'm here to help. A sound
What is your
plan.
wish?
Of course. For honor.
I am ready.
Justice shall be done.
How may I serve?
I stand for the light. Certainly.
Betrayer of the light. You are past redemption.
Of course. For my father, the king. For honor. A sound plan. A sound plan. For honor. Foul
What is your
knave.
wish?
Is there danger?
How may I serve?
Ah, a gold mine. We'll set up our base there.
We're under attack. Take cover.
Bloody hell. You're not undead. You're all alive.
Muradin? Muradin Bronzebeard, is that you?
Damn, boy. I never imagined that you'd be the one to come to our rescue.
Rescue? Muradin, I didn't even know you were here.
Oh, well, just the same, lad. I could use your help. My mates and I were attacked and we got separated. I'd appreciate any backup you could give me.
Of course I'll help Muradin. Let's move. I stand for the light.
I'm ready and waiting.
Justice shall be done.
I am ready.
What ails you?
I'm your shooter. Okay. Aye, sir.
I stand for the light.
Ready to work.
You have a target?
I'm here to help. Justice shall be done.
Ready to work.
I stand for the light. For honor. Of course.
Ready to work.
Certainly.
Job's done.
Is there danger?
More work. Off I go then.
Where to?
I stand for the light. A sound plan. For honor.
Our forces are under attack.
What is your
You
wish?
have a target?
Yes, my friend.
I'll take care of it.
How may I serve? I am honored.
Is there danger?
Let's get moving.
The light is my strength. A sound plan.
It's you.
Justice shall be done.
What is your wish?
What do you need? Right.
I'm here to help. Is there danger? I'm here to help. For honor.
Aye, sir.
Is there danger? The light is my strength.
Let's do this. Let's get it on.
Job done. Our forces are under attack.
Yes, me lord. Off I go then. Yes, me
I
lord.
stand for the light. Certainly.
Job's done.
Certainly. Justice shall be done.
Aye, sir.
What is it?
Our forces are under
Yes, me
attack.
lord. All right.
Is there danger? I stand for the light. A sound plan.
Job's done.
What's happening? It's hammer time.
Justice shall be done.
I am
The
ready.
light is my strength.
What do you need?
All Job's done.
Our forces
go
are under
then.
I'm
attack.
here to help. Of course.
I'm your shooter.
I'm here to help.
Research complete.
You have a target right then.
The light is my strength.
Aye, sir. Okay to go.
I stand for the light.
I'm your shooter. How you doing?
Research.
I stand for the light. I'm here to help. Certainly.
You're
Locked
kind of
and
slow for
loaded.
a human, aren't you?
Is there danger? Justice shall be done.
Locked and loaded.
Justice is come.
Research complete.
Feel my wrath.
What do you need?
Our forces are under attack.
I'm your shooter.
What is it? Job's done. Job's done. Yes, me lord. More work. What is it? Righto. Yes, me lord. What? All right. All right.
The light is my strength. I stand for the light.
Research complete.
A sound plan.
Let's do
Job's
this.
done.
I'm ready and waiting.
Is there danger?
What's happening?
I'm here to help.
Job's done.
You're kind of slow for
I
a human,
stand
aren't
for the
you?
light. Justice has come. Justice shall be done. Certainly. Of course.
Job's done.
Certainly. A sound plan.
Yes, me lord.
Justice shall be done.
Where do you want
How
us?
may I serve?
I stand for the
This
light.
better be good.
That's them. And they're still under attack from the undead.
Let's move, men. Those dwarves need help.
Show us a target.
Do you require aid, human?
I stand for the light. Justice shall be
I am
done.
ready.
Let's get to fighting. Our
Where do
forces
you
are
want
under
us?
attack.
How may I
Is
serve?
there danger?
What is your wish?
I'm here to help. The light is my strength. A
What is your
sound
wish?
What do you
plan.
need?
What'll it be, hotshot?
You have a target? Hello?
The light is my strength.
Aye, sir.
Our town is under siege.
I'm here to help.
I am ready.
What do you need?
Get down, Sparky.
Come back! Show us a target.
They're dead.
Hey, you! Catch! Move your arse.
I stand for the light.
sir.
Our
I'm your
forces
The
are under
light is my
attack.
strength.
I am ready.
You have a target?
Show us a target.
What is your wish?
I'm here to help. A sound plan.
Research complete.
What is it?
The light is my strength.
What is your wish?
What do you need?
Is there danger?
What is your wish?
Yes, my lord.
I stand for the light.
I'm your shooter.
Justice shall be done.
Research complete. Our forces are under attack.
The light is my strength.
How may I serve?
You have a target? Where do you want us?
Is there danger?
Show us a target.
I stand for the light. For honor. I'm here to help.
Let's get to fighting.
I stand for the light.
Hello.
I am ready.
Aye, sir.
I'm here to help.
Do you require
Let's
aid?
get
What do
to
you need?
fighting.
Justice shall be done. Is there danger?
Okay to go.
The light is my strength. A sound plan.
What is your wish?
I'm your shooter.
Justice shall be done.
Show us a
I
target.
stand for the light.
Where do you want us?
Hello.
Is there
Battle
danger?
is over.
For honor.
How may I
You
serve?
have a
Get
target?
down, Sparky.
All right, Muradin. What were you doing up here anyway?
Well, lad, there's an ancient waygate that lies somewhere in this glacial wasteland. Supposedly, it transports you to a hidden vault where a rune blade named Frostmourne is held. We came here to recover Frostmourne, but the closer we came to finding the waygate, the more undead we encountered.
Prince Arthas, we haven't found any trace of Mal'Ganis.
No matter. He can't hide from me forever. Captain, I want you to establish this site as our primary base.
Yes, my lord.